Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Christmas adult coloring books. More specifically, my favorite books to break out for Christmas. It changes every year, but these are the ones that I tend to gravitate towards the most. And I will be coloring in for December and the whole holiday season, and then of course into winter. So let's get started. Did I separate those right? These ones here are all Creative Haven. What can I say? Teresa Goodridge releases a lot of Christmas books and winter books. Enchanted Christmas. I'm not going to do full flip throughs. There's full flip throughs on my channel, but I think I did that on a live stream. But yeah, this one's a super cute one. In fact, I think I used that live stream to do a tutorial on pine needles. Because see, this is how she draws her pine needles. And I wanted to show you guys how to make them, well, shinier. I keep meaning to color more in here. I started this one and I hated it. And so now I'm trying to think of what I want to do to fix it. Also remembering what colors those were. But yeah, that's a really cute one. Winter Wonderland. I don't think this is Teresa Goodridge. This is a really old one though. I don't color in this one as much because see how the artwork is? So this is kind of what she had before she painted it. So it's really like rough. And so I don't color in this one. In fact, I should probably give it away. But it has the old nice paper before they went cheap on us. Country Christmas, Teresa Goodridge. This actually has the nice paper in it. I've colored some things in here. Like that one there. And that one, that was actually Derwent Inktense. Almost 2 years ago. No, 1 year ago. We're in 2024. Okay, and then she started coming out with some gnome ones because she's been on a real gnome kick. So here is her Christmas Gnomes one, which has the crappy paper. I really need to color this one. Color something in it. I started this as a tutorial. I wanted to show you guys. So see, this is how she has her tree, but then this is how I changed it up with the pine needles, including adding, see here, I went totally out of the lines, and then the trick is adding white on top of it, and by the time you do the whole thing, it's nice and fluffy, and you'd never even know. I actually have a full video where I did this in a Hannah Carlson book, because hers are like really thick, chunky pine needles, and I basically just did the same technique, but I just ignore it and create it. I'm gonna have to remember what pencils. I know this is Prismacolor or Black Widow, but I usually use the same or similar. But yeah, I did a few pages in here last year. It's rough because it's already like December 7th. This is Christmas Charm, also by Teresa Goodridge. And I haven't done a ton. This was done a few years ago. This book's older. It has the smooth paper. But it's already like December 7th and I haven't colored a single Christmas page. I started that one. I have a thing with blue doors on Christmas pages. You'll notice that. I think it's just I'm not in it or something. Home for the Holidays. I put this in my community tab because it was like $4.99. A few of hers were $4.99. This is newer paper. Again, I was doing that flick method. I think I started this with Black Widow. I recognized the purple. I had started this one, and then I was like, too busy. Here's one where I didn't do a blue door. Miracles. So yeah, lots to color. This one is Gnome for the Holidays. So this one mixes a bunch of different seasons, so it's not just Christmas. Like see here was Halloween, but these ones in the back would be good for Christmas. Okay, we're gonna make those slide over. Then I have 3 from my Coloring Heaven. I stopped the subscription and then I just started like creating a list and buying them in bulk on their Etsy. Elves Behaving Badly. I have been meaning to color in this one forever. Definitely with markers or something. I don't know. But I need to do something. I haven't colored in it at all. Christmas special. So this has some of my favorite artists, Hannah Lynn, Micah Jelena, just tons. So it's a combo. Now, if you own any of their books, then you'll have some pages that you already have, but it's just the collection aspect of it all. But I mean, this one's really cute too. I haven't colored in it either. And there's some really good pages in here. So yeah, I should probably do that. Then I have the Cutesy Christmas Special. Again, a combo of different artists. So we got some Hannah Lynn up in there. Jen Katz. I don't usually do her stuff, but Ruth Sanderson. I have one of her books somewhere. More Ruth Sanderson. We got quite a bit on there. Mariola Budek. If you have any of her little Christmas packets, you'll have these pages already, but got those. Then from Daria Cakirsoy, it's the From Halloween to Christmas special grayscale book. This one, towards the back, you're gonna, you got your Valentine's, but this is where you'll find like the Christmas ones is towards the back. Now these are also available in single pages on her Etsy if you don't want to like buy the books. It is Halloween and Christmas combined. Okay. Speaking of Klara Markova books, I just did a flip through of her new one. She always has winter Christmas sections, and this is one of my favorites. So this is Fairy Celebrations. And near the back here is where you get to the Christmassy winter pages. I started this double page spread and then was like, I can't go anymore. So yeah. So, and then something bled through there. Don't know what. And I remember this one. I started it and then I hated it. So I need to go back with an eraser. Let's see if I have any others I had started on the winter side of things. There's quite a few wintry ones in here, and then we get, this is Halloween. So yeah, the rest are kind of like Halloween pages. But it's always fun because any of her books you buy, she's gonna have fall and Christmas in there. Okay, Seasons by Hannah Carlson, not just specific to Christmas. However, speaking of that tutorial, is it in this one or my other copy? So in the back, you have her Christmas and winter pages. Every year I say I'm going to color that one, and I don't. Same with this one. Really should. She's got quite a few good Christmas ones. Oh yeah, here it is. So I did a video on this. It's a full color along on my channel. Honestly, it's probably like 4 years old. But basically what I did is, again, you can see the lines. I didn't feel like sitting there and erasing them. They're just chunky, so instead I just flicked out my colors and then I went through with some white, made it look way better. The rest is all, the whole thing is Prismacolor, background is chalk pastel, and it was sealed, although it's still a little, feels a little loose. But yeah, this is on my channel. I just gotta look back a few years ago. And I think, yeah, we still got some more Christmas ones. Christmas and winter. That's like the wintry one. And then this is where the fall stuff is. So the winter stuff starts here, but quite a few in the Seasons book. Then we have Johanna's Christmas. I have to really be in the mood to color this one. Like I started that one. My old book, I had gotten years ago and started coloring. This one, I keep starting pages and then I'm like, I don't want to finish it. And these are all very old. Yeah, I did scan and print this and color it in a different way on a live stream, but all of these are very old. I have another copy downstairs. This is my old copy. I thought it was my new copy. Yeah, I have to be in the mood because this is an old book. Her style is kind of, you got to be in the mood for it. In this book, And that was when my daughter was 3. She colored that page for me. But yeah, this is my old copy. I definitely have to be in the mood for her stuff. Then we have Hannah Lynn's Whimsy Christmas. Now, I did purchase the PDF edition of this book. Hannah Lynn was really cool because I reached out to her and I was like, hey, I want to take every single printed book I have of yours and buy the PDF. And I was like, if I buy them all at once, any chance like you could toss me a coupon? Because, I mean, I was buying, what, 15, almost 20 books. And so she was really cool and sent me a coupon because I bought all of them. But I still sometimes color in this one as well if I'm too lazy to print it out. But most of them I end up printing from my PDF edition. And that's mainly because of the Create Space paper. You do have 2 copies of each image, so if you screw one up or you just don't like it, that's the one nice thing. This was actually done with Ohuhu markers back when I was just learning how to use Ohuhu markers. This was Prisma. The background was Neocolor. I tried Neocolor on Create Space paper. Do not recommend that, in case you're curious. It would be fun to redo that one. I had started this page and then got really bored of the wall. But I do like it when you have like doubles. I don't think I've done anything else in here. I always wanted to color this one, and then I forget. Same with this one. But yeah. So those are my Christmas books. Most of them are Christmas themed. Some just have like a few Christmas pages, like, you know, these guys here. But I'm going to be working on them this month whenever I can. It's been very crazy busy here. Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. Trying to get those out of my store. But I really want to color because I think that'll help get me in the Christmas spirit. If I don't color, I'm just kind of sitting there like, what am I doing with my life? It doesn't even feel like Christmas, even though we put up our tree monstrosity. So yeah, I'd love to know what you are coloring in for Christmas and the holidays and all that. And let me know if you ever want to see like one of these in a live stream. I never mind. I might do one of these Teresa Goodridge's in my next live stream, especially because they're affordable books where some of these other ones aren't, but we'll see. So yeah, until next time, bye.